ArcelorMittal SSC Europe has 23 sites in Europe and over 700 employees producing custom steel solutions for clients such as the automotive and industrial sectors. We have chosen a unique CMMS software, CarSource, for its ergonomics, ease of configuration, multilingual features, and its possible interfacing with SAP or other tools. One of the strengths of the CarSource software is its connectivity, since we have implemented a connector between our computerized maintenance management system and SAP to have all our maintenance stock in our computerized maintenance management system for our technicians, allowing them to have all the parts in one tool without needing to connect to SAP, to be able to record the technical information of these parts and their interventions, share information between our sites to conduct benchmarks, and to pool our stock across our sites. Another strong point of the CarSource CMMS is its controllerless module, which helps optimize regulatory maintenance and has allowed us to archive all our reports and track all remarks and corrective actions very precisely directly from the tool. We are currently deploying these strengths of CarSource across all our sites.
We are here in Neuwied, the site of Auto Processing GmbH in Germany. It is an iron service center. With the CMMS CarSource, we manage various things in maintenance, like reactive maintenance, preventive maintenance, but also checkup by law. One of the main benefits of CarSource is that the operator can, with a simple visualization, write the work request. This work request will automatically be sent to the computerized maintenance management system, which is capable of checking if it is for internal or external work. If it's for an internal technician, it will be sent to the internal technician, who will have their own work order, where they will be able to replace, after processing, the technical failure information like documentation, images, and also the cost root analysis. And after completing that, it will be sent again to the internal technician, who is able to replace. The most important benefit for the internal technician himself is that he is able to track technical errors on site, to have an idea and view on the technical failure points, to analyze these points, and with this he will also be able to reduce costs, which will lead to an even longer mean time between failures and an even shorter mean time to repair afterwards.
I use Carl Touch every day. It's easier to work because I can see the entire history of issues. I know where I'm going, what I need to do. I can take a picture and make feedback clear for other colleagues. I save time because I have introductions. I am more efficient. I have more time. In my technical experience, instead of wasting time on administrative tasks, Carl Touch is a great tool for technical maintenance.
Tomorrow, the CMMS project will continue to develop by establishing a stronger interface with SAP to retrieve even more production data for our technicians and maintenance managers, which will enable them to have reliable figures and better analysis. And finally, support Maintenance 4.0 by implementing the IoT BL Predict platform.